yes, you had this two different ways you can go. I read online there was a slope going down to it, so I believe we're not going to be far off it coming down here. At least I didn't think we were going to be anyway. It's getting steeper. It's a good path though. See, there is actually the river right there. I was just about to cut you off and say I'll bring you back when I find it, but I think I've already found it. It was that quick to find. It's such a good way to it. Wow, it's right there. That's so cool. Such a big fall over there. And here's your waterfall. So we'll have a look. I'm hoping my dog doesn't come follow and fall. I'm just going to put her on the lead. Come here. Good girl. We've got all this nice top of the waterfall. And then you've got these cool little cavey sort of designs. That obviously just bring you straight onto the lake. That was pointing at before. Yeah, it's absolutely covered in algae, but people don't come here to look at that. They come to look at cool things like this. A couple of dogs in the water down there. And we'll go way around and check it out. But it's cool. Very cool. So you've got this cool little cave here. Let's keep checking out further up here, see what else we've got. Looks like it used to be an old sort of river, but it's all dried up down there. Would have thought it probably goes a lot more deeper in the winter time. This way. Let's keep following it. Got another little cool cave here. Wow. Just try and get my phone torch real quick. I think it's like, you're not going to be able to see much, but it's like a massive sort of well. Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know what you can sort of see, but yeah, you're not going to see much. As you can tell, my dog is a bit impatient. She likes to keep moving. Alright, well, hope you enjoyed that little walk. Like I said, it's only something small. If you're local in the Bridge North, Shropshire area, this is very close to you. And hopefully, if you're travelling over this sort of way and you want a nice walk, see this video, it gives you a good idea of what there is. And then go and check it out in person, because it probably doesn't do justice of how cool this place is. But I'm going to end it here. Enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't, because I'm going to go a little bit detouring off my previous videos. Because doing things like this is probably a lot more cooler for you guys to watch. But who knows, you might enjoy things like that. So if you do, again, comment it if you want more videos of me delivering. Then we can see what can make it happen. But I'm going to end it here. I will have one last clip at the end of this that'll show you where I've parked.